Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can sort your ideas in Collect. Maybe you want to sort your ideas and collect application, but you don't know how. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can sort your ideas in Collect application. Please check the video description and we'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Collect application. Once you open your Collect application, simply tap on this Sort Later at the option below. Once you are in this page, you can sort these ideas by long press on it. As you can see, you have this three dots icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then in here, tap on Move To. And now, to sort the ideas, simply tap on the board that you want. For this example, I'll just tap on this academics board. And as you can see, item is added to the board. You can find it by tapping on this board and then simply tap on this academics. And as you can see, here is now the file that you sort. There you go. If you wanted to know how to sort ideas and collect, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to sort an ideas and collect, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.